Good morning, children. This is Sweta. Welcome to 7th class IIT Chemistry class. Children, previous class we have learnt about atomic radii. What is definition of atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell is called as atomic radii. Atomic radii expressed in some units also. And next, what is that units? Nanometer, picometer, and angstrom units. Next, classifications of atomic radii, 3 types. First radii, covalent radii. Second radii, van der Waals radii. Third radii, metallic radii. 3 radiis also we are learned about in previous class. Next, variation in periods and groups also. Variation in periods, atomic radii, variation in periods and groups. In periods, from left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic size decrease. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same shell. That's why atomic size decrease. So atomic radii also decrease. In groups, from top to bottom, atomic number is increase. Atomic number is increase. Atomic size increase. Atomic number is increase. Atomic size also increase. Why? Because the valence electron enter into the different cells. That's why size increase. Keep in your mind, Nana. In periods from left to right, atomic number is increase, atomic radii decrease. In groups from top to bottom, atomic number is increase, atomic size also increase. That means atomic radii also increase. Next, okay, Nana. Now today that concept, fifth concept over, atomic radii, fifth concept. First, what is definition of covalent radii? Next, what is definition of atomic radii? Next, types of atomic radii. Next, variation in periods and groups. Variation in atomic radii in periods and groups. Next, we have learned about ionic radii. What is ionic radii? The distance between the nucleus to cation or anion. The distance between nucleus to cation or anion. Cation means cation, anion. Cation means positive charged ions. Anion means negative charged ions. For example, cation having more ionic radii, less ionic radii. Cation having less ionic radii than parent ion. Anion having more ionic radii than parent ion. Next, isoelectronic species. What is definition of isoelectronic species? Atom contain or anion or cation contain same number of electrons. Same number of electrons is known as isoelectronic species. So we are discussing some order also. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum. If lose of first carbon, if lose of 4 electrons, if gain of 4 electrons to get 10 electrons. Reactivity order also we are learnt in previous class. What is isoelectronic species? Same number of atom contains same with atom or ion contains same number of electrons is known as isoelectronic species. Okay, now that concept over. Now today we are going to discuss about worksheet. Nana, listen properly. First week, allow you write down concept. After that, in your notes keep heading worksheet. Write bits first bit. The units for atomic radii is units. You know, Nana, angstrom unit, nanometer, picometer. See, Nana, 1 angstrom unit are equals to 10⁻⁻8 centimeters. Generally, meters we are discussed about meters. Meters converted to centimeters. How is converted this one? All of the above. All values are correct. So, see, Nana, 1 angstrom unit. 1 angstrom unit generally 10⁻⁻10 meters. Meters convert to centimeters. 1 meter equals to 1000 centimeters. So 10⁻⁻10 equal to 10 square centimeters. Meters convert to centimeters. Centimeter always convert this one. 1 meter are equals to 1000 centimeters. You know, Nana, 1 meter are equals to 1000 centimeters. 1000 means 10 square. You know, 1000 means 10 square. See, Nana, 1 meter. Here 10⁻⁻10 as it is I write. After that 1 meter are equals to 10 power of 1 meter equals to 1000 centimeters. that equals to 10 power of minus 10. 1000 means 10 square. Here place are equal, but here if you had added 10 plus 2 means that equals to 10 power of minus 10 plus, according to math formula, a power of n into a power of n into a power of n plus n. Okay na? This formula. So here minus 10 plus 2 centimeters, that equals to 10 power of minus 8 centimeters. So this value correct. 1 angstrom equals to 10 power of minus 8 centimeters. The units for atomic radii. The units of atomic radii. So see na, here meters convert to centimeters. So this option correct. Second option what given na? Second option B. Second option 1 nanometer are equals to 1 nanometer are equals to 10 power of minus 9 meters. 10 power of minus 9 meters. This one correct. 1 picometer equals to 10 power of minus 12 meters. 1 nanometer equals to 10 power of minus 9 meters. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power of minus 8 meters. And 1 angstrom unit are equals to 10 power of minus 8 centimeters. Okay, that means 1 angstrom units are equal to 10 power of minus 10 meters. Meters convert to centimeters. We are learned about only meters value. 1 angstrom, 1 nanometer are equals to 10 power of minus 9 meters. 1 angstrom unit are equal to 10 power of minus 10 meters. 1 picometer equals to 10 power of minus 12 meters. But in this bit given centimeters. So meters convert to centimeters. So which one correct now? First bit all the above. All options are correct. Second bit see na, among the following the largest atomic radii is. Which one having largest atomic radii? We are discussed about order. Van der Waals radii is greater than, metallic radii is greater than covalent radii. So which one having largest atomic radii? Which one having largest among the following the largest atomic radii is? Which one having the largest atomic radii? First option covalent radii, second option metallic radii, third option Van der Waals radii. Which one having largest atomic radii? Van der Waals radii is greater than, metallic radii is greater than covalent radii. According to which one having more atomic radii? Van der Waals radii having more atomic radii. Correct answer C. Third, covalent radii is applicable for non-metals. Covalent radii applicable for non-metals. All of you write down these 3 bits now. See now, fourth bit, metallic radii is applicable for metals. Metallic radii is applicable for metals. Next, all of atomic radii. Covalent radii is greater than, Van der Waals radii is greater than metallic radii. First option. Van der Waals radii is greater than, covalent radii is greater than metallic radii. Second option. C. Metallic radii is greater than, covalent radii is greater than Van der Waals radii. Fourth. Covalent radii is less than, metallic radii is less than Van der Waals radii. Which one having large atomic radii? Van der Waals radii. After that metallic radii. After that covalent radii. Which one correct? Option B correct. Okay na? All of you write down these 5 bits. See na, once again revise units of atomic radii. Units of atomic radii. How many units we have? 3 units. 1 nanometer are equals to 10 power of minus 9 meters. This is meters value. Meters value converted to centimeters. 1 meter are equals to how many centimeters? 1000 centimeters. So here 10 power of minus 9 into 1 meter. 1 meter are equals to 1000 meters into 1000 meters. That equals to 10 power of minus 9 into 1000 means 10 square. 10 square. So meter centimeters. Meters convert to centimeters. Here, a power of m into a power of n. A power of m plus n. Like that, 10 power of minus 9 plus 2. 10 power of minus 9 plus 2 centimeters. 10 power of minus 9 plus 2 means minus 7 centimeters. This is meters value. 1 nanometer are equals to 10 power of minus 7 centimeters. Keep in your mind, 1 nanometer value 10 power of minus 9 meters. In centimeters, 10 power of minus 7. Write down in your notes, Nana. Second unit, see Nana. Second, 1 angstrom unit are equals to 10 power of minus 10 meters. 1 angstrom unit are equals to 10 power of minus 10 meters. Meters converted to centimeters. 1 meter are equals to 1000 centimeters. 10 power of minus 10 into 1000 centimeters. 1 meter are equals to 1000 centimeters. Therefore, 10 power of minus 10 into 1000 means 10 square centimeters. 10 power of a power of n into a power of n. Therefore, a power according to maths formula, a power of n into a power of n. That equals to a power of m plus n. M plus n. Keep in your mind this formula. A power of m into a power of n. That equals to a power of m plus 1. Place. Okay. A power of minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 means centimeters. Minus 2 plus means minus 8 centimeters. 1 angstrom unit value in meters, 10 power of minus 10. 1 angstrom unit value in centimeters, 10 power of minus 8 centimeters. Okay, Nana, write down in your notes meters value, this centimeter value. Here angstrom unit meters value and centimeter value also. Next, third one. Write down. Next, third. 1 picometry are equals to third unit. Units of atomic activity. Third unit. 1 pm. Picometry are equals to 10 power of minus 12 meters. Meters converted to centimeters. Meters converted to centimeters. So that equals to 10 power of minus 12. 1 meter equals to 10 and 1000 centimeters. Okay. Here 10 power of minus 12 into 10,000 means 10 square centimeters. That equals to 10 power of minus 12 according to a power of m into a power of n. That equals to a power of m plus n. So 10 power of minus 12 plus 2 centimeters. That equals to 10 power of minus 10 centimeters. In meters value 10 power of minus 12. In centimeters value 1 picometry are equals to centimeter value 10 power of minus 10 centimeters. Keep in your mind, Nana, that 3 values, meters and centimeters values also. Okay. Atomic radii over. Next we are discussed about next class ionization energy. Okay. How many types we have atomic radii? Second one ionization energy. Next type electronegativity, electropositivity, electron gain enthalpy, valency, oxidation number. Classifications of periodic properties having so many types. No, atomic radii we are discussed starting concept. Okay, atomic radii. Some factors also. What is periodicity? Next, regular. What is periodicity mean? The systematic regular intervals, that mean 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, that intervals, that periodic, that intervals is called as periodicity. Next, what is periodic law? The physical and chemical properties directly or indirectly depends upon the electronic configuration. Next, types of factors, that means screening effect. What is effect? Nuclear charge. We are discussed about screening effect or shielding effect. What is nuclear charge? After that, types of periodic periodic radii types, atomic radii. Next one, atomic radii. Second one, ionization energy. Third one, electron gain enthalpy. Fourth, electronegativity. Fifth, electropositivity, valency, oxidation number. Those types are 7 types according to one type over. First type, what children? Atomic radii. What atomic radii we discussed? What is atomic radii? What is units of atomic radii? Next, what is types of atomic radii? Next, atomic radii various in periods. Atomic radii various in periods and groups. Next, what is next concept? What is ionic radii? What is isoelectronic species? So atomic radii starting up to ionic radii. So this is full first concept. That means fourth concept over. Next class we are discussed about second type. Second type means ionization energy. Okay, Nana? All of you learn properly atomic radii definition and types, units, types, and various in periods and groups, and ionic radii. Next, isoelectronic species. Okay, Nana? Next worksheet bits also. Thank you. See you next class.